Welcome to our channel. Today we journey north to the enchanting landscapes of Northern Norway. This is a land sculpted by ice and ocean, where towering mountains plunge into deep fjords and the ethereal glow of the northern lights dances across the night sky. Join me as we explore 5 remarkable destinations, each offering a unique glimpse into the heart of this captivating region. Our first stop takes us to the Lofoten Islands, an archipelago that rises dramatically from the Norwegian Sea. Imagine jagged peaks piercing the sky, their reflections shimmering in the crystal-clear waters below. These islands are a photographer's dream, with picturesque fishing villages clinging to the shoreline, their brightly coloured houses a stark contrast to the surrounding wilderness. But Lofoten is more than just a pretty picture. Adventure seekers can hike to towering summits, kayak through tranquil fjords, or even try their hand at surfing in the icy waves. Our journey continues north to Tromsø, a vibrant city nestled within the Arctic Circle. Known as the Paris of the North, Tromsø boasts a rich history and culture, evident in its charming wooden houses and lively art scene. But the true allure of Tromsø lies in its proximity to the Arctic wilderness. Here the northern lights shimmer and dance across the winter sky, painting an unforgettable spectacle. And for those seeking adventure, opportunities abound for dog sledding, snowmobiling, and even encounters with whales in their natural habitat. Chapter 3. Bodø, where city meets nature. From the Arctic wonders of Tromsø, we venture south to Bodø, a city that seamlessly blends urban living with breathtaking natural beauty. Bodø is a place where you can wander through modern art galleries in the morning and find yourself hiking to a mountain summit with panoramic views in the afternoon. Just off the coast lies the Saltstraumen maelstrom, one of the world's strongest tidal currents, where churning waters create a mesmerizing spectacle of raw power. Chapter 4. Alta Journey to the Past. Our exploration takes us next to Alta, a town steeped in history and ancient traditions. Thousands of years ago, this region was home to a thriving civilization that left its mark on the landscape in the form of intricate rock carvings. Today, these carvings offer a fascinating glimpse into the lives and beliefs of those who came before. Alta is also a prime location to witness the ethereal beauty of the Aurora Borealis, with its own Northern Lights Cathedral, a marvel of modern architecture designed to complement the celestial display. Chapter 5. Senja, Norway in miniature. Our final destination takes us to the island of Senja, often referred to as Norway in miniature for its astonishing diversity of landscapes. Imagine towering mountains plunging into deep fjords, their slopes cloaked in emerald green forests. Picture secluded beaches with crystal clear waters, perfect for a moment of quiet contemplation. Senja is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, with endless opportunities for hiking, fishing, kayaking, and simply immersing oneself in the tranquility of nature. Outro until next time, Norway. As our journey through Northern Norway draws to a close, we're left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. From the dramatic peaks of Lofoten to the tranquil fjords of Senja, this is a land that captivates the senses and nourishes the soul. We hope this glimpse into the beauty and diversity of Northern Norway has inspired you to embark on your own adventure. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.